Imagine right now in space Earth's most unwanted asteroid moving somewhere in the vast darkness. An asteroid, named 2024 yr4, is hurtling through space. Tracked by astronomers, this space rock orbits the Sun with a trajectory that brings it worryingly closer to Earth by the end of the year 2032. Scientists said there is a 2% chance of colliding with Earth. But could it actually strike our planet? And if it does, what would that mean for humanity? Would we be able to stop it, or are we at the mercy of the cosmos? To truly understand the gravity of the situation, we must first explore the history, trajectory, and potential consequences of this celestial traveler. This video is going to let you know about our unwanted asteroid 2024 yr4, from its discovery to its potential impact, and the steps scientists are taking to ensure our planet's safety. So stay till the end. Asteroids have been orbiting our solar system for billions of years, but only a few pose a significant risk to Earth. Astronomers identified a new near-Earth object, an asteroid approximately 56 meters wide, traveling at 13.4 kilometers per second, was first observed by the Atlas Chile site on December 27, 2024. After it was named 2024 yr4 and immediately caught the attention of space agencies around the world. Using powerful telescopes and advanced tracking technology, scientists began monitoring its orbit, trying to determine whether this space rock could pose a future threat to our planet. So, what makes 2024 yr4 particularly intriguing is its classification as a potentially hazardous asteroid, PHA. Unlike the millions of harmless asteroids drifting through the solar system, PHAs are objects that come within 7.5 million kilometers of Earth's orbit and are large enough to cause significant regional or even global damage if they collide with our planet. The discovery of such an asteroid is always a cause for concern, as even a small miscalculation in its projected trajectory could mean the difference between a near miss and a catastrophic impact. Through precise tracking and computer simulations, scientists mapped out the journey of 2024 yr4. This asteroid follows an elliptical orbit around the Sun, much like Earth, but with a crucial difference. It periodically crosses Earth's path. Most asteroids in the solar system remain confined to the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, but near-Earth objects like 2024 yr4 travel much closer to our planet, making them particularly dangerous. The key concern is, in 2032, calculations indicate that 2024 yr4 will reach its closest approach to Earth, potentially within striking distance of 167,466 kilometers away. While current predictions suggest only a small probability of impact, these projections are subject to change. The gravitational pull of planets, the Yarkovsky effect, caused by heat emissions altering the asteroid's path, and even collisions with smaller space debris can all influence the trajectory of an asteroid over time. Even a tiny shift in its orbit today could have massive implications a decade from now. History has taught us that asteroid impacts can be catastrophic. The Chicxulub impact 66 million years ago led to the extinction of the dinosaurs, creating a crater over 150 kilometers wide and triggering a global climate catastrophe. More recently, in 1908, the Tunguska event in Siberia flattened 2,000 square kilometers of forest, equivalent to the size of a major metropolitan city. This explosion, believed to have been caused by a small asteroid or comet fragment, released energy 1,000 times greater than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Even smaller asteroids can be dangerous. In 2013, the Chelyabinsk meteor exploded over Russia with the force of 30 Hiroshima bombs, shattering windows and injuring over 1,600 people. While it did not impact the ground directly, the explosion in the upper atmosphere demonstrated just how powerful even a relatively small asteroid could be. So, what would happen if 2024 yr4 were to hit Earth? Could we face another extinction-level event, or would the damage be localized? The answer depends on multiple factors, including the asteroid's size, speed, angle of entry, and the location of impact. If 2024 yr4 enters Earth's atmosphere, if it were to strike an ocean, it could generate massive tsunamis, sending waves hundreds of meters high, crashing into coastal cities. The energy released would be enough to devastate entire regions, leading to widespread loss of life and destruction of infrastructure. A land impact could lead to even more severe consequences. If the asteroid were to strike a densely populated area, the explosion would be equivalent to multiple nuclear bombs, wiping out entire cities in an instant. Even if it landed in an uninhabited region, the resulting dust and debris thrown into the atmosphere could trigger a global cooling event similar to a nuclear winter, disrupting agriculture and ecosystems for years. However, Earth's atmosphere acts as a protective shield, burning up smaller asteroids before they reach the ground. If 2024 YR4 is small enough, it may disintegrate upon entry, creating a bright fireball in the sky rather than a ground impact. But given its size and speed, scientists are not taking any chances. NASA, ESA, and other space agencies constantly monitor asteroids using telescopes, radar, and tracking algorithms. Programs like NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office track potential threats and refine impact probabilities using new data. Every observation helps astronomers create more accurate models of the asteroid's trajectory, ensuring that we have the best possible understanding of its movements. Additionally, space missions like OSIRIS-REx, which recently returned samples from the asteroid Bennu, help scientists study the composition of these objects. Understanding the structure and composition of asteroids is crucial for developing deflection strategies, as different materials respond differently to external forces. So, should we be scared? The chances of 2024 YR4 hitting Earth remain extremely low, but that doesn't mean we should ignore it. The study of near-Earth objects is crucial for planetary defense, and our ability to detect and track these cosmic wanderers is improving every day. With continued research and technological advancements, we may soon have the tools to prevent asteroid impacts altogether. For now, astronomers will continue their watch, updating predictions as more data becomes available. But one thing is certain: the universe is full of surprises, and it's always worth keeping an eye on the skies. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more space mysteries. What do you think about Asteroid 2024 YR4? Let us know in the comments below.